So we have our floor slabs. These are made of metal decking with concrete, so they're composite. You have the vertical framing is composed of these walking columns with their 3D curvature, and then you also have your standard vertical columns that are slightly leaning sometimes, depending on I like exactly where they are in the facade. And then we have our trusses, which we already talked about. It looks like the top floor also has a truss on it, sort of as like a little crown. A lot of buildings do the same thing, where even if they don't have intermediate trusses, they'll put a top outrigger on. It kind of like binds it all together. You can think of it as like a can with like a lid. Then we have our beams. It looks like they're somewhat radial from the core. I'm wondering how they did this. They must have parametrically done it at each floor because you have a changing floor plan. So it's kind of interesting because you get a lot of irregular beam lengths and beam sizes. So it's kind of hard to optimize that for construction because you just have so many different pieces. It's a lot more specialized per floor, which that's not usually desired.